Now in the last lesson we learned about the cloning technique. So let's now in this lesson learn about the healing brush. So let's go ahead and select this fountain here, which is located in Boston near Cheers. We're going to select the zoom tool. We're going to fill screen. And this is what we're going to work on. So we're going to zoom in a little bit better so we can really see the fountain. And we're going to choose this tool right here called the healing brush. Okay. And what's great about the healing brush is that the healing brush separately analyzes the texture, color, and luminosity of the source area. So when you paint, it merges the texture from the sampled area into the color and luminosity of the destination area. Okay? The healing brush adds a 10 to 12 pixel spread to the brush. Due to its built-in spread, you need to use a hard edge brush, just slightly larger than the area you're trying to repair. As compared to the clone tool, use a soft edge brush. Okay, this is according to Katrine, who is well known for her restoration work. So we're going to use the healing brush here. We're going to make sure that our brush is 100% hard. Our mode is normal. We're going to choose sampled, not align, and sample all layers. We want to do that because we want to make sure that we create a new layer. And as soon as I click in the picture, it's going to convert it for me. I'm going to press Alt to create a new layer and call it healing. So I know. And because the sample all layers is checked, it's not going to touch the background, which prevents the background from being destroyed. I'm going to decrease my brush size a little here. And just like the clone tool, I'm going to define a source, let's say here. And then I'm going to move in the direction. Okay. I'm going to resample it again. And I like to work in slowly here, and sometimes you just paint over and get away with it. There we go. So we actually could get away with that a little bit better. Let me just kind of correct that. Oh, shame on me. Yeah, see, you got to be careful. You can create this. So maybe let me go a little bit lower here. Sample. The reason it's doing it is because it's getting close to this edge. That's something else you got to be careful about. So Control Z to undo. And let me get further away and try it. Okay, that's a little bit better. Let me do fit and view. And there you have it. So about 4 or 5 steps, the graffiti mark on the water fountain is done. And since the healing is on a separate layer, you can compare before and after. Before, after, before, after. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about how to get rid of this manhole.